Hello and welcome back to another video of Python 2020. Today in this video, we will see how to generate PDFs from Excel data using mail merge. Here I will use Word template. Before go ahead, it is request to you. If you like the content of this video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more video. Let's begin the video. This is my OneDrive, okay, and here one folder. This is data folder. And in this data folder, I have one Excel file. Let's open it. This is the our data, first name, last name, email ID, address, and status. Okay. And also I have one template. This is the Word template. Here you can see this is our Word template. Here you can see I have given the placeholder. This first name, last name, address, email, and status. Okay. So basically, this is our placeholder. Okay. Now go on developer tab. First select this area. Okay. Now go on this and properties, and here we will give the name of our placeholder. So first is first name. Okay. Now click on OK, and other one select this area. Same step we will do property and give the name as a last name. Okay. Now click on OK. So same step we will do all placeholder. Okay. Now here properties and give the name address. Okay. Name here. Here go to the properties. Okay. Okay. And now last this status. Properties. Okay. Click on save and close it. Okay. Now here I'm creating one folder. So this is folder for our output. In this folder we will save all documents. So first we will save Word document. The name is a documents. This folder I'm creating two new folder, one for Word file and other one is other one for PDF files. Okay. Now done. Okay. Go on Power Automate, create. Here we will create instant flow. Here the name will merge. Okay. Will merge and select manually trigger flow. Click on create. Flow is created. First step we will take list rows present in a table. So this is the Excel online business Excel. Okay, take this one. Here click on this. Here you can see location. click on this arrow, and here I select OneDrive for Business and Document Library. So here I'm select OneDrive only. Okay. Now File, click on this folder. Now give the Excel file. So our Excel file in data folder, click on this. This is the Excel data. This is our Excel file. Click on this and table name. So data table. I show you. This is the our Excel data. Click on this design table and you can see this is the our table name is table data. Okay. I've given this one. Now we will take another action. This is apply to each. Apply to each action. Okay. Take this one. Now here we will select value. This is the list of item from this. Okay. Take this. Take this one. And now add another action. First, here I select word. First, we will take a word online. Here we will take word activity. Okay, so select this word online business. Now, uh, take populate. Okay, so this populate a Microsoft Word template. Take this one. Now location. So here we will give the location of our template. So our template is in OneDrive. Okay, OneDrive, and here file. We will give the location of our file, template file, data, and here you can see this is the our template document. Okay, now done. Okay, so here you can see that placeholder we have given this already. You can see here. So first we will give the last name. So give the last name. This is the last name. First name, email, all placeholder like we will give. Okay, now status, status, and address. This is your address. The or variable is set. Now you can see all placeholder has set it. Now, now we will add another action. Click on add an action. Right, create file. Okay, so we will take this OneDrive for business action. Take this one, and here you can see, and here you can see folder path. Here we will give the folder path, and folder path means where we want to create a file. Click on this folder icon, and our folder is data, this document. Okay, select this one, word. So here it means here and select this word folder. Okay, now you can see data, documents, and word. Now file name. So here, so I want like first name, last name dot docx. Okay, so it means here we will create a one word file. Okay, now click uh, now here file content. So you can see Microsoft Word documents. We will use this variable. Here we will create a Word file. So I rename it. Okay. Name it, create Word file. Okay. Now, so now add new action. Click on add an action. First type Word. Now we will use Word action. We will take this convert Word document to PDF. Take this one. Now here we will give the location. Here we will give the location, our Word template, OneDrive for Business, and document library. We will select OneDrive and file. So here you can see in this Excel, we will create Word file. Okay, so as a create customer first name, last name. Okay, so first we will copy this location folder path and paste here. Okay, now the slash and come down a little bit. Not able to see first name. Type like first name, and last name. Okay, so this is the last name. Now we will give the format dot tocx. Okay. Now we will create. Now we will add another action. So this action is create file. Create file. We will take create file OneDrive for business. Now give the path. This is the folder path. Root. Now in this section we will create PDF file. So where we want to save PDF file in documents and our PDF folders and our PDF folder. Select this PDF folder. Okay. Now file name. Here we will select like same format we will give like first name, last name dot PDF. Okay. Now file content. So we will use PDF documents output of this Excel. Convert Word document to PDF. So we will take output of this action. Okay. Now save. So also I will rename it. Here we will create PDF file or PDF file. Okay. Save and run. Now save and run. Let's manually run flow. Done. It will take a little time because first is created Word files from like all rows data, and then after that it it is convert Word document to PDF. Now you can see our flow ran successfully. Okay. Now let's see data documents PDF. So first we will check our Word files. You can see a Word file is created. Let's check it. Here you can see This is the first name, last name, address, and email ID and status. Okay, so same. Also, you can see this Word file. Now you can see first name, last name, address, email, and status. The status is changed here. Okay, now we will check our PDF file. Okay, PDF folder. All you can see here, all PDF has generated. Okay, let's see. You can see a dear customer name, address, and email ID and status. So you can see this is our second PDF. Now open third PDF. See, all PDF generated successfully. Hope you like the content of this video. So please hit the like and subscribe my channel for more video. I will see you in the next video with new topic on Power Automate. Till then, happy learning.